If you're considering using Teespring for your dropshipping business, there are some important things you need to know before making a decision. This platform is a popular choice for creators, but how does it compare to others like Printful or Shopify? Let's dive into what you should be aware of before committing. The first thing to consider is Teespring's ease of use. While it's known for being beginner friendly, this might also limit customization options for more experienced users. Teespring's setup process is straightforward, but platforms like Shopify offer more flexibility with a broader range of integrations, allowing for deeper customization of your store. Next thing, Teespring's pricing structure is important to understand. Unlike Shopify, which charges a monthly fee plus transaction costs, Teespring's fees are built into the product price. While this makes it easier to calculate margins, it can sometimes feel a bit pricier than other options if you're trying to scale fast. The third thing to be aware of is Teespring's product selection. They offer a wide variety of items to print on, but compared to Printful, which has a massive catalog and even higher-end products, Teespring may feel a bit limiting. If you're aiming to offer a truly diverse product range, this could be a challenge. The fourth thing, and this is key, is the profit margin. Teespring has a set base price for each product, and you set the markup. While this is simple to understand, it can lead to higher prices for customers, especially on premium products, which might make it harder to compete with dropshipping platforms that let you set lower prices, like Printify. Moving on, Teespring's marketing tools are solid, but not as extensive as what Shopify offers. Teespring integrates with social media platforms to help you market your products, but it doesn't provide the same level of tracking, analytics, or email marketing features you'll find with a more robust platform like Shopify or even WooCommerce. Another thing to note is Teespring's customer service. It's generally good, but there's been some feedback about slow responses, especially when you're dealing with order issues or product quality concerns. If customer support is a top priority for you, you might want to consider something like Printful, which is known for faster response times and dedicated support. The seventh thing is the fulfillment process. Teespring is known for its streamlined production and shipping process. However, it may not be as fast as alternatives like Printify, which has multiple fulfillment centers around the world, making shipping times much quicker to various regions. Next thing to keep in mind is the design tool. Teespring's design tool is simple but fairly limited. If you're serious about creating intricate designs, you might find it more beneficial to use software like Photoshop or Illustrator and upload your designs to Teespring, rather than relying on their internal tool. The ninth thing to mention is the lack of storefront control. While Teespring provides you with an online storefront, it doesn't offer the same level of branding and customization as platforms like Shopify, which allows you to create a fully customized storefront with your own domain and more detailed design options. Next up, Teespring doesn't offer the same scalability as platforms like Shopify. If your business takes off, Teespring's limitations may become apparent. Shopify offers more options for scaling, such as advanced inventory tracking, apps, and integrations that can help automate more of your processes as your business grows. 11th, Teespring offers international shipping, but it's not always as seamless as with other platforms. Shipping costs can vary widely, and delivery times may be longer, depending on the destination. If you plan on targeting international customers, be sure to research shipping fees and timeframes to avoid surprises. Lastly, Teespring doesn't give you access to a full e-commerce experience. While it's great for creators focused on merchandise, it's not as robust as dedicated e-commerce platforms. If you want complete control over your business with options for growth and advanced features, you might find Shopify or WooCommerce to be better alternatives. In conclusion, Teespring is a solid option for creators looking to quickly start a dropshipping business with a simple setup. However, if you're serious about scaling or need more flexibility, it might not be the best choice. For those looking for a more powerful solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free